How to re-download FireKirin app. First of all, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type FireKirin and hit the search button. Go to the official FireKirin website from the search results. On the website, you will see download options for Android and iOS. Tap on the option that matches your device and the download will start immediately. The process may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file either from your browser or in the downloads folder. If you want to install the game immediately after downloading, tap on the app file and hit install. Once the installation is finished, tap open to launch FireKirin and start playing. Now you know how to re-download FireKirin app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.